So, this is the end. The last video in the series. Every single fish that I have seen, I wrote down in a Word document and identified every single one of them. So that's why when I make these videos that the names, the Latin names are there and everything is... I've already done the pre-work. So what we're looking at is just a bunch of fish. I'm doing some snorkeling. Actually, I'm down here at like 10 meters or something, I think it is. Filming all these surgeonfish, the fusilier, the wrasse. It was really cool. On a deeper dive, I saw these batfish. I knew they were coming in. And I was like, wow, I gotta film this. And they came in from the wall and it was just perfect. So spadefish, they're actually also known as batfish. It's the same. And well, I mean, these little guys here, they were actually quite curious because this particular dive site, it never gets visitors. It's like an old fishing platform or farm or something like that. So it was a bit of a gamble if there was any life, but there was so much life there, as you would have already seen from some of the other videos that I've shown you. And here they are, they're a little bit smaller, actually coupled up. And, well, apparently they're born with the whole fin, the entirety of their fins, and then the body size just kind of grows to fill up the void. And then this guy is actually a Dusky. It's not a Longfin, it's a Dusky. And the way to tell them apart is if you look at the orange stripe they have. Because the other guys, they have a golden stripe, and these guys have an orange stripe. This is the only footage I've got of a very, very young one. Now, this entire video is basically just a bunch of mishmash because I couldn't figure a place to put it, so I just put it all in a big video. And this guy, this fish, I don't know what it is, but it was just really cool because it was just sitting still. Same with this one, it's sitting still. This guy actually has like a flag. It waves its flag around. I thought that was really funny. And then there's like small juvenile fish like these. I don't really know why. Oh yeah, I remember. It's because they stand still. And the current in there was... It's not amazing. Like, it's not a lot of current, but... How can they just like sit... Boom! Still like this. I don't get it. This is crazy. This was new to me. That's basically just Gobies and Blennies for you. Oh, talking about Blennies. I found this guy in a bucket. A Blenny in a bucket. And like, what is it doing there? I don't know. But Blennies, they always like to go into tubes and holes. Like, you see our coral trees? They have Blennies in them as well. It's really funny. I don't know. They just find comfort in there for some reason. Oh, and they also just, I guess, float around. You see, I thought it was seaweed at first, but then there was a fish. And it kept coming closer to me. This guy kept getting closer to me. It was crazy. Why? Yep. Hello, hello. I seen you. Eating. Okay, what is this about? And it's the same Blenny. It just stopped a little bit to see if there was any food on the seafloor, but no, there was no food on the seafloor. And then it kept following me around. Ah, this is actually me. You can see I'm trying to reach out. Like, why do you want, like, do you want to be touched? Like, why are you so close? And then it just kind of swam away into the seaweed. Never to be seen again. Well, who knows? But I didn't see it again. Well, I don't know if I saw that one particularly. But it was definitely an experience. A very surreal one, because you don't really get wildlife. You don't really, because you don't really get wildlife like that, you know. And I had to say goodbye eventually, unfortunately. Yeah, goodbye, little one. Let's see, this is also a Blenny. Crazy looking, I know. And then I guess for the rest, let's just show some fish that are actually eating, because you don't really see that very often. So here's a Filefish, actually. Strapweed, apparently. That's what I could find out. It's eating some sponge. And I have not put my teeth into sponge before, but I have touched sponge that has fallen off and stuff like that, and I'm like, I would not want to eat this. It does not seem very nice to eat. But then the filefish was like, mate, you're bothering me, go away. Here we got some butterflyfish eating sponge as well. And this was on a snorkel as well. I saw all these fish, they were like eating this white thing. I was like, what the hell is going on over there? So I swam over to have a look. And I got none the wiser. I still don't know what the heck they're eating. So what I did is just like, I decided to just swim down and actually see for myself what it was. So, I mean, it's really cool, right? It's like a feeding frenzy, but it's not piranhas, it's just fish. So I swam down to have a look at what it is. And I have no idea what that is. Probably like it's squid or something. And then obviously all the fish were gone, but they came back quickly. And you know what? Then this guy, he came back and like, nope, it's all mine. Hilarious. I put the camera down as well. I love putting the camera down and looking at the footage afterwards because it's usually very amazing. But particularly here, I flipped over a coral just to see, because I know they're fish, they like to eat corals as well. So we just had a look, and you can see all the fish there here, like damselfish, butterflyfish, wrasse. You got, what do you got? Filefish as well. I see one there. There's a lot of fish. Oh, and my favorite fish, the damselfish, blue-green Chromis. This footage does not do justice. You have to see this in person. It is mind-blowing how beautiful this is to see in person. Just this same fish covering up your entire field of view with the sun's rays shining on them. Oh, it is. I love these fish. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. You have to see this in person. I mean, looking from the top down, they're not really anything to be admired, honestly, because it's just like there, whatever. But looking at it from the side, oh, it's so pretty. You can see how many there are as well. So many. So I think I'll just leave it at this, you know. Just like some blue-green chromis. Some of them even have black fins. I don't know why they have black fins, but I guess it's just a variety thing. You can also see like that silver ball in the middle of the frame. It's algae, a singular celled thingy. I forgot what they're called. That's okay. Who cares? It's just full of water. So that was all the videos that I had to show you. Everything that I saw in Indonesia in 2020. And honestly, it was the best. It really was the best. So much diving, so much fun had. But yeah, that's it, and goodbye.